and that's all boogered up. You're going to have to buy a cheap wrench at one of the cheap tool stores and make that your dedicated transmission checking wrench. So will that fit it?
Well, not really. It's just going to keep stripping it.
Okay. Do we have anything else that'll fit it?
Good. Where my tools are, that tool bag.
Okay, and they're only O-ring seated, so they're not difficult to set or unscrew. Not the recommended method, but that's all we've got today. Okay, just spin it by finger now. Yeah. So there's your dipstick, and what is that, a Newage brand transmission?
Newage, yep.
Okay. So just like any dipstick, you check the full and the add lines on the end of the stick.
I see a little drop right between 1 and 2. Do you see it?
Okay, yeah, I see it dripping, so that's okay too?
Yep.
Good. So now we need to read the book and find out what goes in there. Does automatic transmission fluid or is it motor oil? We'll need to read the book to find out.
Yeah.